Hello, hello. It's 1st of February, 2022. Time flies. We already passed 1 month of 2022, and a lot of things happening. I want to start with FOMO buster. If you missed something, you didn't miss a lot. We didn't create too many PRs, but we grow in the PR numbers because I think most of our effort right now is on caps. Which leads me to the next announcement that cap freeze is on Thursday. If you have, if you want to approve your cap for this release, you need to rush in today. I think today is already kind of late. I mean, if you didn't make a announcement long time ago. So yeah, please be mindful of the timeline.
Yeah, Sergey, I would say anything that's not already on the spreadsheet and under consideration, like we're not going to look at last minute caps at this point because it's beyond the soft deadline for PRR. And I know the PRR team is having some staffing issues due to illness, and we've got lots of stuff left. So thanks to everybody who got all of that stuff done on time. And I know I've got a list that I'm still working through, but hopefully everybody's cap will get looked at before the deadline.
Thank you, Lana. Vinay, do you want to talk about status of in-place pod vertical scaling?
Yeah, hi. So there is nothing further to update. I'm still waiting for Derek to finish his review. He mentioned last week that he's halfway through, and I don't think he's got the chance to finish it up. So after that review, I'll look at fixing any major issues that he has and get it to a state where it's good enough. And I'll be creating, I think, at the end of February, I should be done with my day job work release as well. So I'll get some more time after that, but I'll create issues and then seek help for them. I know a couple of folks have already offered to help. The goal is to try and fix most of the issues that are outstanding from the code review. I think there are 9 or 10. Want to fix as many of them as possible in this release, and then the rest can come in during the beta. That's all.
Great, thank you for update.
One more thing. Last week I was in the scheduling side. I don't think API has changed much at all, except for some of the unit test fixes that came through to the review. Scheduler looks good. There's one issue for performance there. I think they've offered to help on that. So from scheduling and API perspective, we should be good to check this in.
Thank you. Deep, do you want to talk about pod sandbox?
Hello. Yeah. So this is the cap around new conditions for pod sandbox creation. Thanks, Alana, for taking the first look. There were some comments around how this might work with the new cap around tracing. So I've addressed and clarified some of the usage scenarios where having this might be helpful and might provide some more contextual data, but tracing and this can definitely be complementary. Yeah, other than that, just pretty much waiting for like the overall node review to take place and really hoping to get this in for 1.24 if possible.
Okay, I just opened this cap for everybody to have a chance to read the summary. If you're interested to take a look, please do.
Thanks. That's it.
Adrian.
Same as the two before me. I just wanted to make sure it gets the final approval in the next 2 days, and that's why I'm mentioning it here once more. That's it seems to be ready from my side. So
is it assigned to Don as approver?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. So yeah, for everybody on the call not familiar, this is a checkpoint ability on the kubelet. So we will be able to take checkpoints of containers. Okay. Yeah, I wanted to bring up this CRI versioning again. I shared a document last week, and Sasha commented. I think I addressed all the comments. Now, after this document, after creation of this document, I think my next steps will be to convert this document into specific requirements, what we want to get for CRI API. And I wanted to just highlight this couple of things that may be interesting. First is this CRI tools PR that was merged recently. This switched CRI tools to V1 API, and it's not going to work for Containerd 1.5. It only works for Containerd 1.6. So we need to declare what CRI tools backward compatibility is supposed to be, and how many versions back should it support of various runtimes. And this let me thinking if how did we announce this switch to V1 API? Because we did a good job announcing. There are things like this Stargaze snapshotter that implements a proxy on CRI API that also relies on V1 Alpha 2 right now, and it didn't. I'm not sure whether they even know about the need to switch to V1 at some point. So we may need to. Based on this document, declare what the backward compatibility story will be and how long we will support different versions of CRI API. So yeah, if you have want to comment on that, please do, and I will keep working on that to make sure that we move into the we have some formal definition and declaration how API works, and we don't break customers unnecessarily. Okay, any more topics for today? It's extremely short SIG Node meeting today. Thank you everybody for attending. Let's get back to our PRs and caps. We have extra 50 minutes to do that. Thank you. Bye.
Thanks,
Bye,
Sergey.
folks.